Welcome to Spreadsheet Tips for New Reports. Now, this is a real time saver and just something that you should be aware of. Anytime that you're working from scratch, trying to create a report for your company or just to try and make your job a little bit easier, there might already be a template out there for you to use. So I just thought I would go ahead and show you where you can find these. So let's say you had to do a balance sheet for your company, your class, whatever the situation is. We could actually go open up Excel, and then we could say File, New, and then this you've probably seen, and you always just select the blank workbook. But if you notice, there's all kinds of templates that are out here. PayPal invoicing, a weight loss tracker, a retirement financial planner. When it comes to accounting, I always like to kind of type in reports and just do a search for that and see what all comes up, because a lot of these could be reports that you are asked to kind of create from scratch. Just as an example, when I started my job overseeing accounting, some things that I was asked to do over the years was a travel expense report, or possibly an invoice. Invoicing wasn't common in the industry I worked in, but every once in a while we had the need to do up an invoice. I could go out here to this reports template and probably find what I'm looking for. So here's a dispensement report, shareholders equity reports, financial report, profit loss statement. All these are very well laid out, and once you find what you're looking for, you can go ahead and open it up and change it. So let's just take a look at one here. Let's just look at the balance sheet. So let's go ahead and select this and say create. So Excel has opened and it's already brought in this nice template on a balance sheet. So you could go ahead and make changes here just by clicking in the cell and say, hey, it's 2014. Let's change this to compare it to 2013. We could go ahead if, obviously we had different accounts. We could highlight, right click, and just say insert, and we could add another current asset account in here. Likewise, we could go ahead, if we didn't have accounts receivable, we could delete it, type in our data. Here we've got subtotals already ready to calculate everything that we type in above. Just a really neat tool to, instead of recreating the wheel here, you can use this template that's already out there for you. So just something I wanted to share. Be aware that there is a wealth of templates out there, and they'll save you a lot of time, and they'll look very nice. So you can modify them to suit your needs, and use this instead of creating something from scratch. So thanks for joining me here on this spreadsheet tip on new reports.